Hi, I'm Henny Hogeboom, Product Marketing Manager for Commercial Display. I'm here today to introduce you our newest LED transparent display we have installed in our EU office. This powerful LED transparent display has 5000 nits of brightness and can produce extremely powerful images even at bright sunny days. This window-facing transparent display is the perfect solution to welcome your visitors here at the office and to demonstrate the ease of installation. Clearly, the transparent display captures anyone's attention already from a large distance without blocking the view from the inside out. With its 70% transparency, is the ideal digital signage solution behind glass for corporate buildings, shopping malls and retailers. For more information about this product, please visit our website or contact your local sales representative.